Hey boys and girls, Miss Bear coming to you this afternoon with our math lesson of the day. We've introduced you to a whole bunch of new shapes this week, and today we are going to meet our last shape, which is a hexagon. But before we begin, let's start counting. Follow my cursor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Great job counting, boys and girls. Here is a shape that we are learning today. The name of this shape is a hexagon. Hexagon has got the letter X in it. We can hear the letter X making that X sound. A hexagon, we can remember the letter X because it's also in the number 6. So that X in 6 and the X in hexagon, link those two together. It has 6 sides and a hexagon. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It also has 6 vertices or corners. That's where 2 sides meet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sides and 6 corners on a hexagon. Here are some real life shapes that we see in the world that are the shape of a hexagon. This is a hexagon nut. Usually a screw goes in between and it helps to hold things tight. These are the hexagons in a honeycomb, in a beehive. It's actually hexagons are some eyes of some animals as well. Let's review our shapes. Here's our circle, the name circle. It has 0 sides and 0 vertices or corners. Here's a triangle. The word triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices or corners. A rectangle, the word rectangle. 4 sides, remember 2 sides are long, 2 sides are short, and it has 4 corners or vertices. Here's the shape we learned yesterday, a square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 vertices as well. Let's go ahead and fill in the information about our hexagon. So this is the word hexagon, H-E-X-A-G-O-N. It has 6 sides and it also has 6 vertices. This afternoon, you're going to work in your math activity finding all the pictures of what is a hexagon and what is not a hexagon. Hope you guys have a great day.